Okay, so this is my Sprint 1 project for Engine. Um, as you can see on the screen right now, I have the ship on there loaded with all of the different assets, so the texture, the shader, and the model. The ship still can go forward and back, just like in your version. And then now I'll switch over to the code to show you what I did to make all of this work. So within the code here, in the model manager, in the .h, I've made it a singleton. I also have the public and private methods of this function, so I can run the private ones. And I have a model map in the model manager CPP. It is the private versions, so I can run them. And this one creates a new model of the string file name, and then that converts it to a character. Underneath here, this inserts it into the map that we have made, and in the get model, it iterates through the map to find the right key. When it finds the right key, then it returns it. And then the destructor for cleaning it up iterates through the entire map, and when it finds it, it deletes it. So this is how you clean out, and it even has it shows that it is unloaded. I can scroll up here in the console messages, and it says that it has unloaded everything. For the model, shader, and the texture, they're all the same. So I'll just go through them really quick to show you the code that I had in each of them. Everything will be the same besides just the names. In the game.cpp, what I did here was I commented out the original stuff you had to load it for each of the things for the models, textures, and shaders, and I wrote my own for the model manager, texture manager, and shader manager, and it goes by key and then the file name. And then down here, when it actually loads it, it gets all the stuff, and then it calls the model manager get thing of that key. And then down here in the unload content, it runs the terminate, which will then run the destructor, and then that way it will clean up all of the things that I have inside the map. The only thing I was not able to get done in this week's sprint was that default mechanism, but I will have that done for next week. And that was my first week's sprint. Thank you.